sample prescription of the patient that we have. Click the pencil to edit. Once you click the pencil, it will bring you back to the prescription. But normally, if you are making the prescription, it will allow you to request an invoice right after you save the prescription. So here, below the prescription, click Request for Invoice. Below the prescription, click Request for Invoice. After clicking the Request Invoice and going here at the Request Invoice, you may search for the name of the patient and click Find, and it will show you everything that's connected to that patient's name. So this is the exact patient that we are looking for. So from prescription, you can request an invoice. So the cashier will directly invoice and get the payment from the patient. The doctor will just inform the patient to go to the cashier and pay their bill. After paying their bill, they can go to the pharmacy of the hospital to be able to get the prescribed medication. After clicking the invoice pencil from the request invoice, you will see this. This is the patient name, and you may just put any receipt number as a sample for our training. After putting the receipt number, this is the medicine that the doctor prescribed, and this is the service that has been done. You will just tell the patient, your bill now is 24,400. So, the patient will pay 24,400. And you just click Save. And after that, the patient paid the invoice from the doctor's prescription to the cashier. And then after that, the patient can go to the pharmacy and get the medicine that the patient paid at the cashier. So that's how to request an invoice from patient prescription in our hospital management system. Thank you.